Are you tired of your bathroom looking like a rundown, boring mess? Upgrading the hardware can be one of the easiest and cheapest ways to make the bathroom space look nicer. As a homeowner, do you ever consider upgrading your bathroom? As something that you spend a lot of time in, it's easy to see why this is an important investment. Bathrooms should be rooms that are cheap to maintain while also adding vision and value to your home. Here are some tips on how to upgrade your bathroom on a budget. One of the best things you can do is repaint the walls. Painting is one of the cheapest ways to revamp your bathroom and can be a great DIY project for those who don't mind getting their hands a little dirty. Changing out some of your hardwares. If you don't want to tackle a full remodel, updating your bathroom hardware is a great way to breathe new life into the space. Hardware can include faucets, towel bars, and toilet paper holders, drawer pulls, shower heads, and curtain rods. It's one of the easiest ways to update a bathroom. Updating your vanity or tub. Update your bathroom with a new vanity, mirror, and tub can make it a new place for you to relax and unwind after a long day at work. And the obvious cleaning the bathroom can bring it back to life. Give the bathroom a deep clean. Clean the toilet seat and lid. Pour bleach in your toilet bowl and let it sit for 20 minutes. Before flushing, this will get rid of any stains. Clean the sink and countertop. Clean the mirror and clean the floor. Get rid of anything that's already been there for so long. Under the sink space, this can be an ideal place to stash all those necessities that take up too much counter or cabinet space. Trays, tubs, pumps, basically anything that takes up precious floor space but doesn't need to be seen every day. Put them in the lower cabinets rather than keeping them on display on top where they attract dust and become messy. It'll save you time cleaning around them and helping keep things within hand reach rather than having to get down on your knees or kneel on the floor to reach them. The next time someone else tries to offer you advice about toiletries not being stored on the highest shelf in their medicine cabinet out of sight, out of mind, just laugh at their ignorance like I did when my wife made this remark earlier today. Keep all of your cleaning supplies together in one location. Now let's decide for your tub. Do you want a shower curtain or a shower door? Okay, so you've decided to go with a shower curtain. But are you sure? Here are some things to keep in mind if you choose a curtain. Pick something that matches the rest of your bathroom. Some people get creative with their curtains, but if you're working on overhauling the whole room, make sure this piece goes along with your vision for how it will all look when it's finished. Reglaze the tub and tile. Bathtubs, believe it or not, are not designed to last forever. The water in a bathtub tends to get hard and crusty after a while, especially if you ignore the tub every once in a while. The bathtub liner, as well as the soap scum that gathers on the sides of the tub and occasionally gets tracked into the rest of your house, can cause both grouting and molding in your tub. These two ailments can be very detrimental to your bathroom's aesthetic quality and general cleanliness. Hope you have enjoyed these tips on how to upgrade your bathroom on a budget. If you examine your bathroom and think carefully about the things you don't like, you should be able to pinpoint and solve each issue that exists with ease. And if you like the video, please click the like button below and share it with your friend.